Imagine a gas so intensely aggressive that it can set fire to glass, water, and even concrete. For over a century, brilliant chemists tried to tame it, and many lost their eyesight, their health, or their lives in the process. It is the undisputed apex predator of the periodic table, an element of sheer chemical violence. Yet today, this same terrifying substance keeps your food from sticking to the pan and powers the global nuclear energy grid. Meet fluorine. Holding atomic number 9, it is represented by the symbol F. Located right at the top of group 17 and period 2, fluorine is the lightest and most reactive of the halogens. It is a non-metal with a fearsome reputation, acting as the most electronegative element in existence, meaning it holds the strongest magnetic-like pull on the electrons of other atoms. To understand its fury, we must look at its atomic architecture. A fluorine atom consists of 9 protons and 10 neutrons, surrounded by a cloud of 9 electrons. The secret to its aggression lies in its outer shell, which holds exactly 7 valence electrons. Fluorine is just one single electron away from achieving perfect atomic stability. This agonizingly close proximity to perfection makes it desperately violently reactive, ready to rip electrons away from almost any other element it touches. If you were ever unlucky enough to see pure fluorine, it would appear as a pale yellow, highly toxic gas. It melts at a freezing -219 degrees Celsius. Chemically, it reacts with almost everything on Earth, including noble gases that normally refuse to bond. When it attacks, it breaks down the molecular bonds of other materials to steal their electrons, often resulting in explosive releases of heat and light. The quest to isolate fluorine is a dark chapter in scientific history, filled with the so-called fluorine martyrs. Throughout the 19th century, legendary chemists like Humphrey Davy were severely poisoned trying to separate it. It wasn't until 1886 that French chemist Henri Moissan finally succeeded. By running an electric current through a mixture of potassium bifluoride and liquid hydrogen fluoride, chilled to -50 degrees, he produced the first bubbles of pure fluorine gas. Moissan won the Nobel Prize, but repeated exposure to the toxic gas ultimately shortened his life. Once tamed, fluorine transformed the modern world. When carbon and fluorine bond, they create one of the strongest connections in all of organic chemistry. This gives us Teflon, the slippery, heat-resistant plastic that coats our non-stick cookware and protects aerospace wiring. But its most world-altering application is invisible. Mixing fluorine with uranium creates uranium hexafluoride gas. This is the critical compound spun in massive centrifuges to enrich uranium, fueling both nuclear power plants and atomic weapons. In its raw gaseous form, fluorine is profoundly lethal. Its liquid acid form, hydrofluoric acid, is the stuff of nightmares, capable of absorbing right through human skin to aggressively dissolve the calcium in bones. However, in stable, tiny doses, it is incredibly beneficial. As the mineral fluoride, it is added to public water supplies and toothpaste worldwide to rebuild enamel and prevent tooth decay. Environmentally, older fluorine compounds like CFCs notoriously tore a hole in the Earth's ozone layer, prompting a global ban that saved our atmosphere. Today, fluorine is a critical flashpoint in global technology supply chains. To get fluorine, you must mine a mineral called fluorspar. Currently, China dominates global fluorspar production. Because highly purified fluorinated gases are absolutely mandatory for etching the microscopic circuits onto silicon semiconductors, access to fluorspar is now considered a vital strategic asset. A disruption in the fluorine supply chain wouldn't just affect chemistry labs, it would severely cripple the global manufacturing of microchips, smartphones, and advanced military tech. The future of fluorine looks incredibly bright, particularly in medicine and energy. Today, roughly 20% of all modern pharmaceuticals including top-selling antidepressants and cholesterol medications, contain fluorine atoms. Meanwhile, battery researchers are actively developing fluorine-ion batteries. If perfected, these could hold up to 10 times more charge than today's lithium-ion batteries, completely revolutionizing electric vehicles and renewable energy storage. From the labs of poisoned scientists to the highly classified halls of uranium enrichment, fluorine is a masterclass in extremes. It is an elemental paradox, a ruthless killer that builds our strongest materials, powers our cities, and cures our diseases. It proves that in the universe of chemistry, the most dangerous forces are often the most useful.